Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first up and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.